we're going to look at this next step, which is step 6, calculate the moles of RCl at time t. So how much of your product is left over at that specific time by subtracting the moles of hydroxide from the total moles of RCl used in the experiment, which we already calculated. This will go into cell J2. We're going to equals I2 minus G2. I'm going to go ahead and click here, equals Excel via calculator, H2, I2, click that $sign between the I and the 2 so that locks that in place, and click after the 2, minus, click on the moles of hydroxide added at that specific moment in time, because that tells you how much has been used of your reactant, type enter. And I can click on here, bottom right corner, double click, there you go. You can see I have a negative number here, okay? That's because I made up the numbers that I'm working with, so this is not valid. If you have a negative number because your data is real data, there's a mistake in your calculations. You need to go back and double check what you did and come to me for help. I'm going to go ahead and delete this column so that I don't have to work with any inappropriate numbers when I'm making my graph. But again, if you have a negative number, that means there was a mistake in your data. You need to come to office hours and get help. So now in column J, we have the first data for our y-axis at our zero-order graph, the concentration at time t. Now I need to convert that to the natural log at time t. I click there, type equals for Excel via calculator, click on that data set, oops, I need to natural log, type capital LN, parentheses, now click on the data set, close parentheses, enter. This is a negative number, this is okay. You should have a negative number because we're looking at the natural log of a number that is less than 1. I'm going to take my mouse, double click, I have all of this information here. Now I'm going to take the N1 over my concentration at time t, type equals, which just means Excel via calculator, 1 divided by, and that divided by, I use my right pinky finger, and it's the slash that's underneath the question mark on your keyboard. And now click on J2, because that's our concentration at time t, enter. Click here, right corner, double click. Now I have all of my data to make my graphs. Again, these numbers are all positive, that is necessary. These numbers are all negative, yours will be also. These numbers are quite large, and that is totally fine.